Hey guys, it's your girl Coco. Happy Valentine's Day. Today we're doing 3 quick makeup looks you can do for V-Day. So if you made last minute plans and need to slay but have no time, keep watching. Okay, so here's the products I use on my face. Pretty Vulgar Concealer in number 63. Fit Me Foundation in number 322 Warm Honey. Ciate London Highlight in Confetti. Tarte Blush in Feisty, and my Anastasia Contour Kit, and I use Espresso. For powder, I use Becca Hydra Mist Loose Powder. So for this first look, I did something different. I used this Wet n Wild lipstick in the color Missy and Fierce, and I used it as eyeliner. If you have a red eyeliner, you can do this as well. But I don't have a red eyeliner, and the best thing I can think of for somebody like normal that doesn't have like a bunch of makeup is, what do you have? Red lipstick. So to make it a cute, fun look and not just a regular black wing eyeliner, you can do this look and it looks super cute. It goes with the Valentine's Day theme. You can pair this with the nude lip. Or if you're bold, you can do it with a red lip also and use the same lipstick, and it'll still look super cute. You can throw on some lashes, or you can just wear this with mascara and you'll still look super cute. Now I got my lashes on and I'm looking super cute. I use Better Than Sex mascara just to blend my lashes with the fake lashes. For all these looks, you can go with or without lashes. They all look great with or without them. Now I'm using this Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow by Ciate London. I have no idea what the name is. I guess the sticker fell off, but if I find out, I'll put it in the description below. I'm just using this to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. I'll be lining my lips with my NYX Suede lip liner in Downtown Beauty. This will just help my nude lip look more natural. For lips, I'm using my iconic London lip gloss in Nearly Nude. So that's look number 1. It's simple yet bold. For this next look, I'm using Violet Voss Essentials palette, and I'm using Dusty Rose all over my lid, pink at the center of my lid, and cream in the inner corner. For this look, you really don't need to be like super neat or anything. The look will tie in together once you're putting on this pink color. The shimmer just makes everything look good. Then once you add your wing and mascara or lashes, you're good to go. For liner, I'm going to be using my Benefit Roller Liner. When you're in a rush and you're trying to do a wing, please take it little by little because any mishap can ruin the whole liner. Here I'm just taking the Dusty Rose color and putting that on my bottom lash line just to give it more depth. You don't have to do this. You can just leave the bottom blank and just put mascara. And for that, I'll be using the Tarte Big Ego mascara. For lipstick, I'm using the ABH Matte Nude Lipstick. For gloss, I'm using the Makeup Forever Plexi Gloss in 202. And this is look number 2. For this last look, I'm using the same palette. I'm going to be using cream for the inner half of my lid, black for the wing, and cinnamon to blend the wing. I'm only going to be doing the wing up to halfway, so it's not a full wing. This is a great way to kind of fake winged eyeliner if you're not great at it. It's still a winged eyeliner, but it's more soft and not as bold and intimidating. So once you have your wing, you can take that cinnamon color and blend it out. You can also use your fingers if that helps. And to clean it up, I use the same concealer I use under my eyes. Now I'm taking that cinnamon color and blending that on my bottom lash line. And for mascara, I'm using my Better Than Sex mascara. I won't show you that because you already saw it for the first look. But honestly, this is a great mascara. Look at the difference. For gloss, I'm using the Iconic London gloss in Nearly Nude. I'm going to be doing 2 more colors with this same look, just so you can see like the different vibes each color gives you. So this is the look with a nude gloss. Next color, I'm using the Trustique Color Lip Glaze in English Rose. And this is if you like more color but nothing too bold. And finally, I'll be using my Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in Kiss of Fire. And with this lip, it makes the look more classic, more kind of a Valentine's Day look. So those are my last minute Valentine's Day looks. I hope this helps somebody out. I know like I'm always doing my makeup in a rush, so yeah. And remember guys, I love you. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Like, comment, share, let everybody know. Have a good one.